Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Suppose a, b, c are positive such that the sum equals 3. We are asked to prove that a over b plus 1 plus b over c plus 1 plus c over a plus 1 is at least 3 over 2. We'll prove this inequality using Cauchy inequality. As usual, we let J to be the expression in the left hand side of the inequality and consider Cauchy inequality, that is a b plus 1 plus b c plus 1 plus c a plus 1 multiplied with j. Using Cauchy inequality, this is greater than or equals to a plus b plus c squared. Since a plus b plus c squared equals 3, so this is 9. And on the left hand side, we have ab plus a plus bc plus b plus ca plus a times j. Let's consider this expression first. And we have a plus b plus c plus ab plus bc plus ca. So this is 3 plus ab plus bc plus ca. So now we focus on AB plus BC plus CA. Let's this to be K. So since A plus B plus C equals 3, so the square of it will equals to 9. And the square of A plus B plus C is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 of AB plus BC plus CA. Using MGM inequality, a squared plus b squared greater than or equals to ab, 2ab, b squared plus c squared greater than or equals to 2bc, and c squared plus a squared greater than or equals to 2ca. This gives us a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals to ab plus bc plus ca. So a squared plus b squared plus a is greater than or equals to ab plus bc plus ca. So together, this will be greater than 3ab, bc, and ca. So which means that ab plus bc plus ca less than or equals to 3. So now we move back to, and this means that this will be less than or equals to 6. Since this is less than or equals to 6, and therefore j has to be greater than or equals to 9 over 6, which is equals to 3 over 2. This is the inequality that we want to see. Obviously, the equality holds if and only if a equals to b equals to c equals to 1. Now we have solved this inequality. For tomorrow, we will modify this question a little bit, and we wish to solve a over b squared plus 1 plus b over c squared plus 1 plus c over a squared plus 1 greater than or equals to 3 over 2. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again tomorrow for this inequality. Bye-bye.